Okay, guys, I am recording from my phone. My camcorder is charging, so I'm gonna paint this little bird. Hopefully, you guys can see. I put my phone kind of off to the side. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. This is my handmade paper mache bird that I made about a month or so ago. Hold on, I'm missing something. So this is my birdie. I gotta figure out what colors I want to paint him. I think I'm gonna do. I don't know. I do bright colors. I like my reds. Maybe I'll do some red on him. Excuse me, I keep doing that. Wow, my paint came out way fast. Okay. So, I haven't been doing videos because my hands are so swollen. And I'm still trying to get my blood sugars down, my A1Cs down to a 7. Right now they were at a 10. So my numbers are still kind of high. And I'm really working at trying to get this down so that I can have my hand surgery. And, you know, it sucks. It really... Last night I had to end up taking ibuprofen before I went to bed because my hands hurt so bad. But I thought, well, today maybe painting is not too hard on my hands. I was drawing some girl faces for my junk journal that I had, my handmade junk journal that I made. So let's see. I'm trying to make stuff. I need to get stuff sold. I'm gonna start making Halloween things soon. I'm making some girls right now, paper mache girls. Rough blue. Let's see if I have any more of this other blue. I don't know how long this recording will be. I don't even know if it tells me on my phone. I'm at 2 minutes and 50 something. So we'll see. So there's something that you like, that you see in any of my videos, actually more of my current videos that you've seen. My stuff is for sale, so if there's something you want, let me know. Just leave me a message. Okay, I'm gonna try. I got my hair stuck in this. Ugh. Okay, so we're gonna paint his little. I got fuzz everywhere. It's gonna be blue. Am I in frame? I don't even know if I'm in frame. Yeah. So if this cuts off, I'm going to keep checking on my phone because I'm hoping it doesn't. I don't know. I've never recorded like long videos on this. So we shall see. Come on, paint. I'm trying to use up all my paint too before it starts to smelling really bad. I really need to get my stuff into Etsy. I have an Etsy store, but I haven't put anything up on it. I probably should do that soon here. I should have painted his tail blue. I'm sitting here thinking about it. Oh well. Maybe I can go over it. I don't know. I had something else in my head, but yeah, that works. Pardon me. I really want to start making my videos again. It's just been so hard. Ugh. Check and see if it's still recording. Yep. I don't have that much memory in my phone. I gotta figure out how to transfer all my videos from my phone to my computer. And for some reason I forgot how to do that. Come on, paint. I only have a little left. Come on. Yeah, I should have painted his little tail blue, but that's okay. Oh, I'm sleepy. Come on, paint. Come on, paint. I'm learning how to paint. Gotta finish my little birdie up. Gotta do the bottom. And remember, this is not going to be perfect because it is handmade. I'm doing my best to keep everything even. I'm going to paint his little, paint over it and then do a different color, I think, for his little. I hope I get some new subscribers. If I do, leave me your name, your what you do, or if you're just kind of lurking, watching different videos, whatever. But if you're a new subscriber, welcome, thank you. I am from Portland, Oregon. I love doing my videos. Okay, he's blue. He might have a, I'm trying to decide if I want to have a black beak or like an orangey red or maybe an orange color. Let's see if I have any. Yeah, I have this. It's like a yellow orange, I guess. Still recording? Okay. Trying to hurry, guys, so this doesn't cut off. But... Okay. Now I can do his little eyes. Probably end up being black. So let's see what kind of, should I put the blue? I think he's cute like that, guys, don't you think? Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn this off. Hopefully this will upload and record correctly. Bye, guys.